Cat S60. According to the creators, this gadget is the world's first smartphone with a built-in thermovision camera. Thanks to it, the device allows you to detect heat leakage in rooms and overheating areas of electrical wiring, measure the temperature of various objects, and even see in the dark and through smoke. The thermovision camera has a range of up to 100 feet and can take photos and video. However, this is by no means the only cool feature of this device. Another undeniable advantage of this device is its resistance. Thanks to a hardened cast metal frame and protective glass, the smartphone can withstand a fall from a height of up to 7 feet. In addition, the gadget is waterproof. You can leave it at a depth of 16 feet for an hour and nothing will happen to it. The device will cost you $600. Lumigon T3. Unlike the Cat S60, which uses a thermovision camera, this gadget has a 4-megapixel camera with 2 infrared LEDs, which allow you to take pictures even in total darkness. In addition, this smartphone has a special action key which you can use to program the launch of a specific function or application. According to the designers, this device can be used as a universal control panel for household appliances. In addition, the body of this device is made of stainless steel and fiberglass, which protects it from dust and moisture. In addition, this device is waterproof, and the Lumigon T3 costs $920. Sony Xperia XZ1. This device is small, but surprisingly powerful. The main features of this device are a 19-megapixel camera and a built-in memory chip that stores a huge amount of data, allowing you to shoot slow-motion videos at a rate of 960 frames per second. In addition, the XZ1 makes great recordings, keeping clear sound even in the noisiest places, for example at a concert. This gadget also comes with a 3D Creator app, which uses the camera to scan faces and objects. This allows you to create 3-dimensional photos and share them on social networks or print them on a 3D printer. This device costs $650. Flip phone. Designer Ulrich Larsen created a unique phone with 3 screens, which are able to work separately when using different applications. The user can launch one program on 3 displays at once, or launch different applications on each screen. According to the creator, this unusual design allows this phone to be a convenient book, a stand for viewing photos or videos, or a desktop alarm clock. If you unfold the smartphone like a book, you can use one of the screens as a keyboard for more convenient typing. In addition, the 3 screens are useful when working with files, images, graphics, and text editors. According to the creator of the gadget, the possibilities of this invention are endless. It's worth noting that a special glass protects the flexible screens, and the case itself is made of aluminium. Buy this device today for only $109.99. Project Aura. This Google project is a modular smartphone with a metal frame, a display, a keyboard, and additional battery modules. Depending on the preferences, each user can add the modules he or she needs to the smartphone. It's noteworthy that the developers offer standard devices such as a camera or a speaker, but also more unusual modules, for example, night vision cameras and various medical devices. Unfortunately, this project is still being developed, so we couldn't find out its price. SIO inside. This smartphone is equipped with a molecular sensor that scans objects and determines their main characteristics, like the main material. This device is able to taste, measure the fat level, and identify forgery. For example, it can determine the quality of a steak or the sweetness of your favorite fruit. A special application for the smartphone distinguishes real materials from fake ones, like precious metals and medicines. In addition to the molecular scanner, the gadget has an 8-core processor, a 6-inch Full HD display, a powerful battery, and a 16-megapixel camera. The price of this futuristic smartphone is $400. Jelly. This new smartphone was created for those who appreciate compact devices. The creators of this invention claim that this is the smallest 4G smartphone in the world. The screen diagonally in this unit is only 2.45 inches. Since it's impossible to watch movies or play games on the Jelly, it doesn't offer the technical parameters to do it. Instead, it features a quad-core 1.1 GHz processor, a gigabyte of RAM, a built-in 8GB drive with an expansion capacity, an 8-megapixel main and 2-megapixel front camera, 2 SIM slots, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This device is suitable as a second phone for calling or texting. In addition, it can be used in conjunction with a tablet. This miniature gadget costs $70. ZTE Hawkeye. This smartphone is equipped with a 5.2-inch Full HD display, a dual camera with a zoom on the back, a fingerprint scanner, and a powerful fast-charging battery. The main features of this device are the tracking technology used by the cameras and the sensors. Thus, the user can control the smartphone without touching the screen, for example, flipping pages or browsing photos with the help of an eye movement, which is very convenient. In addition, this phone can be attached to any vertical surface with the help of a special cover. This gadget costs $200. Zenfone AR. According to the creator, this is the first smartphone in the world equipped with both Tango and Daydream technologies at the same time. The first one includes a set of sensors and computer vision software by Google, which allows you to interact with augmented reality software, including games, applications, and indoor navigation. On the other hand, Daydream is a virtual reality platform for mobile devices. It's also worth noting that this is one of the first smartphones with 8 GB of RAM. You can buy it for about $890. Alcatel A5 LED. This gadget differs from others thanks to its LED cap, which can shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow any way the user wants. The shining back of the phone is not just for beauty, because it can notify about new emails and messages, lighting up with different colors. In addition, it can imitate the colors of the photos taken with the camera, or simply light up in tune with the music. Therefore, you can make a whole light show using this device. This smartphone will cost you from $150 to $200.